What's up, you guys? This is an updated bike check of the Fit Inman 3. First, starting off here with the grips, I got ODI long necks, the stolen Vortex Barnes in gold. They came with attached Barnes, but I took them off. We got Inman bars stock. Then we got Fit Inman stock frame, stock seat, pivotal seat Fit. I don't know what the seat post is, but I think it's Fit. It comes with a the frame came with a integrated seat clamp. Odyssey hazard light, back rim. Hold on a second. Odyssey hazard light, back rim. Right there. Then we have got the Fit. Hold on. Fit down low drop stem with the Odyssey integrated headset in gold and Odyssey twisted PC pedals and a black Thorn half track chain. And Odyssey hazard light V3 hub, and it came with all the spokes and everything too. So yeah, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yep. Yep.